Hey kids, and welcome to day 17 of A Very Windows Christmas. So for day 17, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a casual install of Windows NT 3.1 Advanced Server. Yes, we're back to the casual install stuff. So basically, this was the server SKU of NT 3.1 that included a bit more stuff. I didn't even know that there was an NT 3.1 Advanced Server until 2 years ago. So, yeah, well, anyways, let's do this. We're going to be inserting disk 1, A, and yes, do have floppy drive sounds because that is a new feature in 86 bucks. Just wish they would add CD drive and hard drive sounds as well. I'm not sure if I'm asking for too much, but yeah, so we're going to be running. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's not set up, right? Oh, you know what? I'm pretty sure you're actually supposed to boot off of it. You're not supposed to be running it from DOS. Well, whatever. We're going to just boot into it. Okay. So we're going to install Windows NT to here. Should we just reformat to NTFS? I'm kind of scared that it's going to take too long, but we're going to do it anyway. F. Yeah, this is going to take a while. Finally formatted, and we're gonna install into a WinInit. Now it needs disk 2, and I'm not gonna literally film every single disk putting in that I do. So yeah. All right, let's do this. Alright, setup to continue, your computer must be restarted. Okay. Let's do this. Alright, let's just enter my name and my company. NT name, just call it NT31AS. That'll do. Continue with that. Cancel. Okay. Well, probably can't recognize the network card I have in here. Continue. Actually, no. Cancel. Continue. So it requires a network interface for its operation. Let's just go with this. Why not? All right. Needs disk 9 in again, and it's gonna copy some more files. So cue that time lapse, bitch. You just controller new domain. There we go. Go with that. And of course, this is back when the emergency repair disk was absolutely necessary. This is one of my gripes with NT 3.1, and I'm so glad they fixed this in NT 3.5. Yeah. Okay, floppy disk is in the drive. Let's do this. There we go. Windows NT 3.1 is now installed, so we can just eject this disk, delete the disk, and restart the computer. All right, here we are. I'm gonna press Control-Alt-Delete to log on. Yeah, let's just type in administrator. Hopefully that'll work. Okay. And here we are. Okay, so let's see. Windows NT help. Introducing Windows NT. Yep, it's literally the exact same thing we went through earlier in the month. So yeah, we got server manager here. The workstation service has not been started. Got performance monitor. New chart. Yep. Event viewer. And yeah, user manager for domains. Yeah. That's pretty much all the new stuff in advanced server that we didn't take a look at in day one. And we got a new winnt.bmp, except it's actually called landmannnt.bmp, just with advanced server at the bottom of it. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So, thank you all for watching day 17 of Very Wondrous Christmas, and I'll see you on day 18. All right, bye.